Welcome to Modify OTC Endpoint Information. This video has been closed captioned. In this video, you will learn how to modify OTC endpoint information. If you are a check capture administrator, card administrator, accounting specialist, or local accounting specialist, you can modify OTC endpoint or endpoint information. Let's begin. From the Administration tab, click Manage Organizations. Select Organization Hierarchy, select Modify, and we'll begin modifying the endpoint information. Here's the endpoint we want to modify. Click the plus sign to expand all endpoints. In this example, we are modifying THT1 Test Hierarchy Train. Update the short name and description if needed. Click Allow OTC Endpoint to create deposits for over-the-counter collections to modify these details. If the deposit processing address needs to be updated, navigate to the Address section. Under the Financial Institution drop-down list, you can create another financial institution relationship. Enter the Demand Deposit Account, or DDA, retype DDA, and click Add. Click the Delete checkbox to delete a financial institution relationship. Click Check Cashing Policies to update these policies. Select a default reason code. Click Add. The default reason code appears, and repeat steps as necessary. Entering, updating, or deleting agency-assigned suspensions is optional. Update the agency verification policies if needed. We'll click Include Represented and Retired Check. Specifying data privacy for the endpoint is optional. Checking the Enabled Check Capture box allows the endpoint to scan and process checks. The agency location code, or ALC+2, is required for initial setup. Once it is entered, it cannot be updated. Click Yes or No for Queue Interface. It is only for military agencies that utilize the Deployable Dispersing System, or DDS. You can add additional endpoints to the OTC verification group. Click the Clear button, enter a short name, and click Add Agency Group. Click Delete to delete a lower-level endpoint. Click Enable Card Processing to enable the endpoint to scan and process card payments. If it's checked, the endpoint is already defined. Enter the chain code, division, ALC, and merchant ID. Once we save these items, they gray out and cannot be changed. Enter or update the endpoint address. Designate a signature capture and return policy. They are optional. Click Add lower levels to this OTC endpoint to add or update the lower level endpoints. Click Add More Lines and enter a short name and description. A short name must be entered to identify the endpoint. Click Advanced Administration. You can only specify information if the endpoint is allowed to capture checks. Click Yes or No for Debit Gateway. Before you click Yes, confirm with the deployment team that your endpoint has been set up. A reminder appears to submit your agency site profile, or ASP, for all check capture endpoints. Click OK. By default, all forms are rendered and viewed in HTML. Only high-level agency support, or HLAS users, can modify this option. Report only summary-level data to Collections Information Repository, or SIR, dictates whether the detailed level data is transmitted to SIR. If summary level classification is checked, check capture operators cannot classify individual checks. If it is unchecked, they must classify checks at the item level. If Close Batch and/or Approve Batch are unchecked, you can close and/or approve the batch without having to print the PDF report or export the batchless report. The Specify Agency Comments field allows agencies to add, edit, or remove agency comments. Click Special Designation. Under Special Designation, the GWA reporter information is read-only and displays for deposit processing and check capture endpoints. Click Next. Verify the information is correct. Click Submit. A confirmation page appears verifying our endpoint has been modified. You have learned how to modify your endpoint information. For additional information, visit the OTCnet training site.